Hey,
Oh,
hey,
hey,
flat days are over, no monolayer life. We're rolling in suspension, yeah, the cells don't need advice. Gravity and patience, that's all it needs. Let them fuse and cluster, build their little 3D dreams. ECM on the inside, matrix on the outside. Tiny little tissues with the whole world to explore. Welcome to the Spheroid party, where the cells grow smart and hearty. Microtissues spinning freely, 3D models growing neatly. Yeah, it's a Spheroid party. Say goodbye to flat and gnarly. Let them fuse and let them form. Tiny tissues taking storm. Drop them in the wells, low attachment for the win. Hydrogel support, keep the microtissues in. Lift and stain and shining like confetti in the light. Confocal cameras watching like it's Friday night. Signals from the core, gradients never seen before. Little tumor models ready for the drug war. Welcome to the Spheroid party, where the cells grow smart and hearty. Microtissues spinning freely, 3D models growing neatly. Yeah, it's a Spheroid party. Say goodbye to flat and gnarly. Let them fuse and let them form. Tiny tissues taking storms. 2D was the old scene, flat and kinda boring. Now we're building organ structures, little tissue shape shifting. From brain to gut to liver, many organs in a dish. If you're waiting for the future, it's right here. Make a wish. Welcome to the Spheroid party. Yeah, the future's bright and arty. Self-assembling